Once again, welcome back to your GK buddy. Through the two videos in our series Tips and Tricks, we have seen 10 shortcuts and tricks relating to Microsoft Windows 10. I hope these tips were useful to you. Today, we will add a few more tricks to the pack. But before going further, I will answer a couple of questions put to me by some friends after seeing the two videos in Tricks and Tips series. One problem posed to me is this. Pressing Windows logo key plus V, I am getting an error message, can't show history. Let's see what the problem is. Let's open the search window and type system there. Now from system we will go to clipboard. You can see the clipboard history is on now. I will type Windows V from here. It says your clipboard is empty. Now I will move this slider and put off the clipboard history and again type Windows V. It shows can't show history. So that's the problem. Your clipboard was turned off. You can just turn it on and the clipboard history will work. Just move the slider. The second question posed to me is, why don't you give all the tips together in one video? I think too many tips and you tend to forget. The advantage is only when you really use it. For example, I use 5 of the 10 tips regularly and others only when I have compulsion. Noting down the delivery outline for this video, I have been using dictation. Normally I don't use it, but for now my right hand is injured and I am not in a position to type. So I was compelled to use dictation. So that's it. Let's move on with today's tips. We use the search window to search for many things in Windows. Sometimes we find the taskbar which normally aligned to the bottom of the screen has shifted to the left side or right side. Now this has moved to the right side. Maybe you are more comfortable with the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Now we want to invoke the search window to search for taskbar settings. The search icon is located on the taskbar, not in a very comfortable position. You have to drag the cursor to the search icon to click it open. But you have an easy method to call the search window. Just tap your 3 fingers together on the touchpad like this. The search window appears. No dragging of the cursor, no clicking of the icon. You can just type in the search window. You can type taskbar in the search window and go to taskbar settings. You can see that taskbar location on the screen is on the right now. You can change it to bottom. The taskbar moves to the bottom. An easier method to shift the taskbar is just hold down the left button on the mouse or the touchpad and just move it to the right. It goes to the right. Then from right to left it comes to the bottom. Incidentally, you have a provision to lock the taskbar so that it does not move left and right. You can just lock it. To minimize a window, we normally drag our cursor to the minimize icon indicated by the hyphen at the top right corner of the window and click on it. But there is a shortcut for it. You can just use the combination of Windows plus M. M for minimize. When we visit many sites like news sites, we agree to be notified. These notifications, which might pop up on our desktop anytime, could be very disturbing. Suppose you are doing an online payment transaction or filling up a form online, popping of such notification would be a sort of nuisance. Focus Assist allows us to avoid distracting notifications when you need to stay focused. Let us see how we can control the notifications using Focus Assist. At the bottom right hand corner is the icon for the Activity Center. You click it, the Activity Center opens. It is divided into a notification area and an activity area. When the Focus Assist is on, the notifications are directed to the notification area instead of popping up on the desktop. You can open the Activity Center at your convenience and view it. Once you view it, you can clear off the notification also. In the activity area, you find many buttons representing many actions. Among this, you have the Focus Assist also. Right click on it, you can go to the settings. You can see I have switched off the Focus Assist. That means all notification except as stipulated in the automatic rules will pop up. We can switch on the Focus Assist and set conditions like priority only, alarms only, and also set timings when we don't want to be disturbed at all. I can switch on priority only, then alarms and priority only will be shown in the pop-up area. I can also customize my priority list by clicking on the list and selecting it. I can set alarms only also. On the taskbar, there is a time display. If you click on it, the calendar will appear. You can set tasks on the calendar. For example, suppose I want to set a task for 8th. I can select the date and type the task here. So I written a task, then I can save it. It will appear on this pane. 2 tasks have been set now. You can also hide the task. Sometime by looking at the screen you wish this portion should have been a little larger. At that time you can invoke magnifier. There is a shortcut for that. Windows plus key. An action bar appears. Then press the same key again. It will get magnified. To reduce it back, you can use Windows logo key plus underscore key. Incidentally, you can see a reader also in the action bar, indicated by the left arrow plus speaker icon. In case you want a text to be read, you can activate the reader by clicking the icon and click at the start point.
Another interesting combination is Windows plus I period or Windows key plus winking face. It brings in the emojis.
So that is a reader. If you open the settings button, you can see you have the choice of selecting David, Zaira or Mark as your reader. So that's all for the day. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and that it has been useful. If you liked it, please share it. Please subscribe to our channel and keep the notification open so that I can notify you when I am ready with the next video. We value your feedback very much. Please communicate with us through the comment section. Thank you for watching. Watch against Corona and be safe.